At the bank, opening an account, 2-minute conversation.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account.
Sure. Is this your first account with our bank?
Yes, it is.
No problem. May I see your ID, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. What type of account would you like to open?
I'd like a savings account.
All right. Do you plan to use online banking?
Yes, that would be very helpful.
Great. I'll help you set that up.
Is there a minimum balance required?
Yes, the minimum balance is $100.
That's fine.
Would you like a debit card as well?
Yes, please.
Your debit card will be ready in 5 working days.
Okay. How long does the process take today?
About 15 minutes.
That's good.
Please fill out this form and sign here.
All right. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Welcome to our bank.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.